Good morning to all. Today we are going to perform the experiment. Our object is plot gain frequency characteristics of BJT amplifier with and without feedback in the ammeter and determine gain bandwidth product and gain at 1 kHz with and without negative feedback. So for this experiment we want some equipment. These are power supply, CRO, function generator, experiment kit, patch cords, crocodile probe and digital multimeter. So to perform this experiment, this is the theory part and our circuit diagram is this. This is common ammeter configuration, common ammeter amplifier and common ammeter configuration. It is two-stage RC coupled amplifier, and this is the procedure for this experiment, and this is observation table. In this observation table we have to calculate observation with and without feedback. For with feedback we will use this table. Here is serial number, frequency, input voltage, output voltage, gain and gain in dB. So for tabulate this table we have to vary the frequency, and according to frequency we have to calculate output voltage on the CRO, and then we will calculate it again, and same way we will calculate also without feedback, and after this calculation we will plot a graph between gain and frequency. So graph will be look like this, and this is the also procedure. Result, in result we have to find that what is the gain and bandwidth with and without feedback. So as we know that in feedback amplifier, with feedback voltage gain will be reduced and bandwidth will be increased. So to see it practically, now we will move in practical part. So to perform this experiment we will use cathode ray oscilloscope, function generator and experiment kit. This is our transistor feedback amplifier. In this we are using two-stage RC coupled amplifier. This is our feedback network, and this is also oscillator. So for feedback and without feedback we will use this switch. So to perform this experiment, first we have to set its input voltage 20 millivolt and 1 kHz frequency, because it is a small signal amplifier, so we require a small signal. So for this signal we will check input signal from this oscillator. It is checked by CRO. So connect it with CRO probe and measure its input voltage. Switch on the power supply. So change here from here. It is 20 millivolt. We have to set. So this is 20 millivolt input. Frequencies, we can take it also. So this is our input voltage 20 millivolt. Now we will check that what is the effect of feedback on this input voltage. So we will apply this input into this circuit. This is the input, and we will connect the feedback resistor through this capacitor, and we will take output from output terminal. So this is our output voltage without feedback. So it is output voltage. It is amplified, so for to see it we have to change its voltage range. So we also change it in XY mode. So this is our output voltage without feedback, and it is almost 1, 2, 3 into 5, 15 volt, and we applied only 20 millivolt input voltage, and we are getting 15 volt without feedback. So for feedback, we will on this feedback switch, and we will see that using feedback voltage gain is reducing. And how much it is reducing? You can see 0.2, this 0.2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.4 into 2 volt. It is reducing voltage with feedback. So in this way we can see that what is the effect of feedback on the output voltage. So in this experiment we observe that with feedback our voltage gain is reducing but bandwidth is increasing. Thank you.